early afternoon. A strong surge of cold air has undercut the rain moving across eastern Kansas and west central and northwest Missouri this morning. Air temperatures have dropped just below freezing in these areas, allowing elevated surfaces to start icing up with the rainfall. The rain will move east of the Kansas-Missouri state line by noon, but expect elevated surfaces, like bridges, may become slick with ice before the rain shifts east and remain that way for a couple of hours into the afternoon.